Project we have on the house is to replace the patio door. First thing is not hurricane rated, both sides open, and then if you start looking down here you find that the aluminum track is totally corroding away. Looking down here you find that the aluminum track is totally corroding away. This I fixed with some JB weld and took the Dremel tool out and kind of made, for the short term, a new track for the screen to ride on. But this door's come to the end of its life. It's time to replace. Notice that I'm using the same project manager for the patio door as I had for the kitchen project. Always got a job. Well, here's the frame they put in. It does indeed fit. Okay, here's one side of the door put in. Definitely stronger and thicker than the old one, that's for sure. Here's the finished door. I'm gonna say they did a nice job on the trim, and unlike the old door, this does not move. This part is the part that moves. Has a lock. And these doors are heavy. They're thick. I was told they weigh approximately 180 pounds a piece. Now, these labels, I'm also told by the installers, can't take the labels off until the inspector comes to take a look at them. I will say, if you take a look at the installation, there are twice as many screws as the old aluminum door. This door's totally screwed. So what the heck? So this is the outside after they finished. Home Depot did this for us. Problem I've had around here is people don't call you back. Oh yeah, we sit there and do patio doors. I'll call you back on Wednesday, but you just don't know which Wednesday they're talking about. So, looks like a nice door. It's definitely heavy, it's sturdy. Also, unlike the other door, this one has a key lock on it. So, and of course it's got a nice screen that goes nice. Nice new tracks. It's a good job for the, it's a good door. It's really sturdy. So if you take a look, the glass is kind of green, and you will see there are multiple layers of glass. This is a multi-pane window, and plus I've noticed already hurricane certified, and I've also noted it's quiet in the house when the door is closed. So there we are. Short video on replacing the patio door to hurricane proof the house. Like I said, I had Home Depot do it. They did a wonderful job. It took them about 3 hours to take the old one out, put the new one in. I do have some trim strips that go in the door. Trim strips that go in the door. Can't put those in until the inspector shows up. We have a thought for the day. My thought is, one of the things I'm thinking is I really fear for the state of our calendar. I don't know if you noticed, but I think its days are numbered. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.